Hi ladies, beauties, welcome everybody back to my channel. I am just going to be doing a quick tutorial on how I slay my brows. If you want to see that, just go ahead and keep watching. Let's jump right in. So I'm just going to show you how I do my eyebrows. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown, and I'm going to take a spoolie. This is one that I got in BoxyCharm, and a eyebrow brush. This is an Ulta angled brush, just flat angled brush, and a compact because I can't see that far away. So I'm just going to brush my hairs down first to start, and I'm gonna take my Anastasia Dip Brow, and I'm gonna get, like how well used this is, I'm gonna get some product on the brush, and then I'm gonna warm it up in my lid. And warming it up just means swiping it like back and forth like this, in this way, and making sure that there's not a whole bunch of product on one side of the brush and not any on another side, and just making sure that it's all like jelly and not pieces dry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go in, and I start on the top right here, and I just try to go with my natural brow line. So I'm just gonna start right here and go up, and once I get the curve, I'm just gonna curve and go down. And I'll try to get in closer for you guys. So I'm just gonna go with my natural brow line and just curve it right there where it naturally curves, and then just brush that down. I'll finish the tail after. Now that I have that line there, I'm just gonna go ahead and go back in with my spoolie and push up so I can see the natural line of the bottom of my eyebrow. Looks crazy right now, but she will look good, I promise. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side. Take some product and warm it up in the lid. And starting almost in the middle, almost in the arch right here, I'm gonna go ahead and go in, because I want the darkest part of my brow to be right here. And then just gonna curve that. And I'm gonna go ahead and go down and do my tail. And then once I have the shape done, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the brow so I don't look crazy. Don't worry about the top, we'll clean it up. But it looks good already. And I'm going to go in with a little bit more product, because as you can see, there is patches in the middle where we don't have any product. And for me, since I have a lot of brow hair, this is my natural brow. Since I do have a lot of brow hair, I use brow gel for so those little hairs don't show. And I'm just using swiping motions and filling in where I don't have any hair, blending everything in. Alright, and then I'm going to take the spoolie again, and I'm just going to blend in the fronts so it doesn't look like a line, only the front. And I'm just going to brush everything up, because I'm about to put some brow gel on. Make sure all the hairs are in the places that I want them to be. And the brow gel that I use is the e.l.f. This is a new one because I go through these about once a month. You're gonna use the eyebrow side. I've used the mascara side before. I feel like it doesn't really hold as well, but it doesn't do anything harmful. So I'm just gonna swipe it on. All right, so there's that. And to clean it up, I just take some concealer, any concealer that you want, and I put it on the back of my hand. Just one dot would be enough. And I just take a concealer brush and I dab it in there. That's not in there yet. I'm just like trying to make sure it was like stuck. So I'm gonna dab it in there. Make sure it's like well on the brush. And then I'm gonna go in underneath first and then I'll go over. So I'm just gonna start right underneath and then just follow my arch line and go down. That's pretty much it to clean it up. And then for the top, I'm just gonna go clean up wherever I feel needs it. But that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other brow off camera and then I'll show you the final look. Alright, so here is the finished look. Remember, they are sisters, not twins, so they're not gonna look exactly alike, but they're sisters, so they need to look familiar. So yeah, this is it for my eyebrows. That's pretty much it. The three products that I used was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, 2 brushes, and concealer to cut it out. Optional if you want to, but if you want to have like very clean, I would recommend concealer, and brow gel by e.l.f. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna go do my eyes, and that will be for another video. Hopefully you guys tune in for that one. It will probably be on after this one because this is gonna go first. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and follow me on Instagram if you want at selena.annav. And I post like daily little makeup things, my makeup look of the day, and if I'm posting a new video, I'll give a little sneak peek. So yeah, just follow me on there. Alright guys, see you in the next video.